Hello friends, this is a home decor channel and we always try to bring you some beautiful ideas of decorating and organizing your home. As you can see, today we are bringing you the idea of organizing and managing your pantry. We tried to introduce some beautiful ideas of wooden cupboards, cabinets, storage racks, and they are in different designs, so it makes it easy for you to choose from them if you want them at your home. And they are spacious enough to store all your valuables in the kitchen, like they are for storing packaged food or vegetables, fruits, canned food, and there are designs which are showing you how to arrange the big jars, how to arrange the small jars, or how to keep things in the baskets. And it's also showing you to arrange the baskets in such a way that uh, they are in the sizes of small and big, and you can keep your uh, things in them. And these are unique ideas, and we tried to show the bigger spaces and the smaller spaces too. And there are ideas which are showing the bigger pantries in the wall. And in the bigger pantries you can store your crockery too, and of daily use, and you can keep your food storage there. And they not only looks beautiful, it looks more organized and manageable. And in all these pantries, we also introduced a different concept of storage materials, like jars. They are crystal and plastic jars and in different sizes. And we also introducing some baskets in jute and plastic, which do can be used for storing your articles in the kitchen. And these cabinets are so skillfully and wisely organized that they can store more number of things, and they don't look cluttered in this way. And this arrangement shows how to keep the bigger and smaller items together, or how to arrange the baskets and jars together. And this is also showing the storage of fresh fruits, vegetables, and fresh items, and also the packaged foods, and the eggs and crockery too. These items are just wonderful, and can be used to make your home more beautiful. And there are many ideas which can be DIY, like with baskets or with jars, and in plastic jars and in plastic baskets. You can DIY them and you can decorate them as they are given here. And the concept of decorating jars, and with sizes like bigger besides smaller, and these are just wonderful ideas of decorating and arranging your pantry without making it look cluttered. And we think that these are beneficial to you, and they are providing you the chance to decide for you, like this trolley pantry which you can move from one place to another and built of wood. And there are some racks in your cabinets which are made with iron or steel. And in artistic kitchens you can install floating shelves. They do look beautiful and amazing, and for them you don't have to build a full pantry. And on a budget you just can build some floating shelves, and you can enjoy an organized and beautiful kitchen. And thanks for coming to my channel, and please like and subscribe my video and press the bell icon and give it a thumbs up so we can bring this material in future too. Thank you.